guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new teeth whitening range from the brand called HiSmile. You would have seen these guys. I have done reviews on them in the past, including their previous teeth whitening kit, and today they are launching a brand new range called the PAP Plus range, including a brand new teeth whitening kit, whitening mouthwash, and whitening toothpaste, which I am really excited about. But what makes this even more exciting is that I actually now work at HiSmile in their social media team. Over the past couple of years, I've been able to see them develop these new products, which has actually been really cool. So I've been able to see all the behind the scenes. I've been able to go through and help with the product development process, give feedback, test and try the products, what it is really like at the HQ here on the Gold Coast, as well as showing you BTS of our research center where we develop all our products. So a little bit of fun BTS for you guys, and I'm really excited to share with you their new products. So let's just get straight into the new PAP Plus whitening range. So firstly, the new PAP Plus teeth whitening kit is actually clinically tested and formulated in our research center. So what comes in the kit is the LED light, mouth tray, and also now 6 whitening pods. So if you have used HiSmile in the past, they used to have 3 syringes, and we simplified the process even more by just making it 6 individual pods. So each pod equals 1 treatment. So each pod is actually contains more active ingredients and makes it even more powerful than the previous teeth whitening kit. So it does, as I mentioned, still come with the 6 treatments, but the new kit is actually designed to achieve instant results without having to use it consecutively over the 6 days, which is definitely completely different to the last treatment if you guys have ever tried that before. So you can just use 1 pod or maybe even 2 pods for 2 days in a row, and then that is your instant whitening results. And then you can keep the other 4 pods and have 4 additional treatments to use over time. If you're going out or if you want another whitening boost, you actually can have these for a lot longer, and it's a lot quicker, simpler, less treatments, less time whitening, and it's even better than before. So you only have to do 1 at-home teeth whitening treatment to achieve instant results in just 10 minutes, which is just completely insane considering that there is no peroxide in this. And that is one of the key things that our research lab has been working on, is being able to achieve these whitening results without damaging your teeth. It does not cause you any sensitivity either, which I know is a big concern, especially for people like me. I already have sensitive teeth in the first place, so being able to whiten without causing any sensitivity whatsoever in just this little pod and still achieving the results without having any peroxide is just a major plus. So I have also used other teeth whitening treatments in the past, as I've mentioned before, that have peroxide in them, and I found that it caused me major sensitivity, and it also it bleached my gums, and it made it so painful to drink cold drinks, eat ice cream, and have all the fun things that you want to have. So that's why I like this treatment even more, and what they've worked so hard to do is just achieve the same results without actually causing any damage to your enamel whatsoever. In terms of ingredients as well, in addition to there not being any peroxide in the pods or in the whitening treatment, they also do not have SLS, PG, or parabens, which I know are 3 key things that people look out for in skincare, and then also ingredients that you don't want to have on your skin, and that's definitely something that you don't want to be putting in your mouth either. So there's nothing like that in the pod as well, which is another bonus, and I know a lot of people are very interested in the ingredients of what is going into things that you are trying. Like I said, in just 10 minutes you can achieve instantly whiter teeth in just this one little pod. All you need to do is put half the pod on the face of the mouth tray and the other half on the other side of the mouth tray, so that you can whiten both your top and bottom teeth, because obviously you want to have even instant results. You don't want to have one super white and not so super white bottoms. Like I said, I don't think many people realize the harmful ingredients like peroxide that goes into other products that actually cause long-term damage to your teeth. It's not just having your teeth sensitive for a little bit, it is long-term damage and stripping your enamel away, which I think is very important. We should all be looking after our teeth, and that's why this is so good, because you are able to whiten safely at home without causing any damage or any long-term damage to your teeth, and without causing any sensitivity whatsoever. So like I said, this kit was actually trialed by the HiSmile community. So a bunch of community members trialed this in the first place to see results and to test if they'd had sensitivity, as well as doing a dentist-led clinical trial. So an independent dentist also did a test on these, and in the clinical trial they achieved 9 shades whiter in just one use, which is absolutely insane. And I will show you my instant before and afters after just one treatment of using the teeth whitening kit. I mean, my teeth are already white as is, but I definitely saw an instant boost when I used the teeth whitening kit. So onto the next 2 products in the PAP Plus range are the PAP Plus Whitening Toothpaste and a Whitening Mouthwash. These are actually more gradual whitening products, I would say, that can definitely help complement after you use the teeth whitening kit. So the packaging for both of these is definitely next level. To have these on your vanity and for these to be just whitening products is actually really cool as well, and I'm all about the pink. So I'll go through the toothpaste first. So the toothpaste as well is scientifically proven to gradually give you results over time, and it comes in this really cute pink box. I mean, I'm all about the pink, let's be honest. And it comes in like this little tube. I will definitely show you a close-up. It has a really cool tip that you sort of squeeze out. You only need a small amount of toothpaste and you use it twice a day once you have already used the teeth whitening kit, and this will help keep and boost your whitening results after using the kit. It comes out in this really pretty sparkly texture, and it comes from the same ingredients as the PAP Plus teeth whitening kit, so you won't see any sensitivity. You can use this twice a day, every day, like your regular toothpaste, and you will just be able to achieve a gradual whitening effect, and then you'll also be able to maintain your results from using the teeth whitening kit as well. So if you're wondering what's different between the toothpaste as well as the mouthwash and the kit, is that these can be used as daily treatments when you aren't using the kit. So you can use the kit for your 1 to 2 treatments, and then you just go ahead and use the toothpaste every day or twice a day every day as you usually would when you brush your teeth. Next is the mouthwash, and my personal favorite just because it's so different and unique. It comes in this little box and with a little dropper bottle, which I will show you, as well as a little glass jar to help you measure. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's like this cute little dropper bottle, which I will show you a close-up of. So like I said, each mouthwash actually comes with this little glass beaker, which is actually super cool. You can keep these both on your bathroom vanity. So with the mouthwash, all you need to do is shake up the bottle. You grab the little glass beaker that it comes in, fill it up with 15 mils of water, empty a full dropper into the glass beaker, and then swirl it around until it's all mixed together, and then you just put it in your mouth and you swish around for about 60 seconds, and then you're done. It's just as simple as that. What makes this even more interesting is that it is a whitening concentrate. It will give you gradual whitening effects over time, and it's something that you can use as the last step in your routine every night once you have already used the teeth whitening kit. So like I said, it really depends on your preference. If you prefer to just have a mouthwash and you already have a toothpaste because you've got sensitive teeth, then 100% use this mouthwash every night as the last step in your beauty routine. And then also, if you love a whitening toothpaste, then this is definitely your go. Both great for gradual whitening and also helping maintain and keep your results after using the kit. So there you have it. That was my review of the new HiSmile PAP Plus teeth whitening range. I am very excited for you guys to be able to try this as well. Obviously, I have been seeing the behind the scenes and working on this and really seeing what goes into developing a product for literally the last 2 years. So I am very excited for you guys to be able to try it and review it for yourself. Don't forget, if you do get the kit, make sure you take those before and after so that you can be able to compare your results. I'm very excited for you guys to be able to try this. I can't wait to hear your feedback. If you plan on trying the new PAP Plus range, definitely let me know in the comments below. Or if you have any questions about the products, I would be happy to answer. Obviously, I would know quite a bit about them by now, so feel free to comment that down below too. Let me know what you would like to see next in the description box, and hopefully I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.